Welcome to our lesson today. Today we are looking at angles, and from what we have here, we are asked to find the missing angles. But before we move into that is what I want us to note. That is the sum of angles in a triangle, which is equals to 180. What it means is that the total sum of angles in a triangle is equals to 180. Nothing more, nothing less. So in our first example, we have angle 82, angle X, and angle 29. Once we sum up these angles here, it's going to give us 180. So we are going to have 82 plus 29 plus X equals to 180. Adding these two things together to give us 111 plus X equals to 180. So we are going to have X equals to 180 minus 111, which will give us X equals to 69 degrees. So the value of X there is 69. So let's move into the next example. Same thing. We are adding all the angles together and equating them to 180. So we are going to have 42 plus 29 plus X equals to 180. Adding these two things together, it will give us 71. 71 plus X equals to 180. So we're going to have X equals to 180 minus 71. So our final answer and the value of X is equals to 109 degrees. So this is our final answer. Whenever you are asked to find any missing angle, and if you look, what we have here is a triangle. Just have in mind that the total sum of angles there is equals to 180. So you have to equate it to 180.